hello, this is Aunty Juju. Yeah, I'm still in a quarantine. How about you? This one number 105,066,922.96 day. I don't can remember. Nighttime, daytime, nighttime, day. I don't know. Day. This is number day one. Okay. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a natto. This one. Look. You know when you go to sushi restaurant, you know there's these little bit beans, small beans, and if you ever order, it's very slimy. This one is called natto, Natto, and it's very slimy. This one is a fermented beans, you know, stink, very stink. And in the store you can buy 3-pack, 1, 2, or maybe 2 sometimes. Never 1. Unless it's very expensive, but I know like very expensive. I know more money, huh? Okay, so this is what we're gonna make. So easy, but very stink. I put inside freezer because I know like you know waste, but I know it no care because it ferment there, but more better. Okay, so you just take a stink bean. So bad smell, you know. This one is a good disinfectant food for you. Okay, look. So sticky. Look at that. Look, like slime. This is slime ball. Look at that. You like this one? This is like your spit or all your body, you know, your other body excretion. So all of that. Look how slimy, gross. You know, this food stink and then it look gross and then it tastes very good. I like the taste. But if you can handle smell, then you know like it. So slimy. Okay? And then they put a mustard. Little bit of mustard. You put mustard inside, you squeeze. Oh, you squeeze the mustard, and then a little bit shoyu sauce, soy sauce. You know. Oh, I cannot open. Time to get a knife. You better not hurt yourself in this time. You know, I know many people. They don't like to be here. You better be careful. So you eat more beans and you make more food. Okay. Then you make it like this, boring and not very good. So I buy this one. Secret, huh? This one, this is a mushroom from a Japan store. Nametake, like name, take your name, take. Nametake. You know, Japanese letter, they pronounce more, everything pronounced. Nametake. Okay, then you know like a mix spoon, because this one stink, this one not stink. And then you take as much as you like. You know, sometimes more better if you put a green onion, but I don't have. Okay, and then mix the steak. Mix. Look. Oh, yummy for my tummy. I show you. Look, you eat with rice. Look at that. Oh yeah, all the slime for you. Okay, so you make with rice or anything, you know. You put in your tofu, mapo tofu. I'm gonna make mapo tofu. I buy, you know, package, and then tofu, and then a mushroom. You know the sheet take mushroom. This one I put in water. See, look, I put inside water. Water get it soft, and then I cut, and then all inside, and then I put natto. It's very good for you. Okay, bye. You better be good. You better be happy. You know, I get the joy, 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 joy down in my stomach. you make this one. You try. You know, you're gonna die pretty soon. So you better try everything you can. Okay, bye bye.